All right, hello everyone. Today we're going to take a look at cryptocurrency. What exactly is cryptocurrency? All right, let's get it. As always, I like to start off these little mini lessons here with a nice quiz to go ahead and test to see what we already know. So let's check it out. So what is cryptocurrency? Is it a type of digital money that exists only in electronic form? B, a type of digital money that exists in electronic and paper form? Or C, type of digital money that exists in your crypto wallet? Go ahead and pause the video here. Let us know which one of these you think best describes what cryptocurrency is, A, B, or C there in the comments below. Go ahead and pause the video and do that now. Okay, so here we go. Let's check it out. So if you said that A, cryptocurrency is basically a type of digital money that exists only in electronic form, that would be the best of these three definitions here. I know that C, a type of digital money that exists in your crypto wallet, is a little bit tempting there, but in reality, your crypto does not actually exist in your crypto wallet. It's code on a blockchain, but we'll go over that and more in this video. Here we go. Let's get it. So, we'll mainly focus in this video. Of course, we'll go a little bit deeper into uh, what crypto is, and then we'll talk about what makes crypto unique against traditional or fiat money. We'll look at some different types of crypto, and we will also talk about some real-world use cases there for cryptocurrency. All right, let's get it. Let's get locked in and let's learn about crypto. So, what exactly is crypto? Well, cryptocurrency is a type of digital money that exists only in electronic form, as we just discovered. Unlike traditional money, often we call this fiat, like dollars or euros, issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are created and controlled by computer networks using advanced mathematics called cryptography. This is where the name comes from, right? Crypto, which means hidden or secret, plus currency, which is money, right? So cryptocurrencies don't exist as physical coins or bills. Instead, they are records stored on a blockchain, which is like a digital ledger that keeps track of who owns what. When you own cryptocurrency, you actually own a digital key that proves you control a certain amount of that currency. The first and foremost famous cryptocurrency that everyone thinks of is usually Bitcoin, which was created in 2008 by an anonymous person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of different cryptocurrencies have been created, each with its own features and purposes. What makes crypto unique? Well, there are a few things that make crypto unique when we compare to fiat or traditional money. So cryptocurrencies have several unique features that set them apart. One would be that is decentralization. No single government, bank, or company controls most cryptocurrencies. Instead, they run on networks of computers around the world. This means no central authority can freeze your account or control the money supply. This is fantastic. This is extremely important property of cryptocurrency. Another unique feature is that is digital only. Cryptocurrencies exist only as computer code on a blockchain. You can't hold them in your hand like cash, but digital wallets let you access and send your cryptocurrency anywhere in the world. Transparency. Most cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a blockchain. Anyone can see that transaction happen, but they usually can't tell who made it without additional information. Right? So your personal ID is in most cases not going to be there, but the transaction information is public on public blockchains. Another key feature for crypto is that in many cases they are immutable. Immutable. Once a cryptocurrency transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, it is very difficult to reverse or change. This prevents fraud, but also means you can't easily undo mistakes. So there's a bit of a trade-off there. And another key feature for some cryptocurrencies is that they are limited in supply. Some cryptocurrencies have a maximum number of coins that can ever be minted. For example, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. This is different from traditional money, where governments can print more whenever they want. Okay? As always, if you have any questions or comments at this point, go ahead and let us know down in the comments below. All right. Another question is people often have is, what are some different types of crypto? Many times, as we mentioned before, people just think a bit mostly about Bitcoin and maybe a few altcoins or meme coins, but there's a much more utility to crypto here. Let's get into it. So there are several different categories of cryptocurrencies, each serving a different purpose. One of the most commonly known is going to be the payment cryptocurrencies. These are designed to be used as digital money for buying things or sending payments. Bitcoin and Litecoin are examples. They focus on being secure, fast, and easy to use for transactions. Another type of crypto are utility coins. These cryptocurrencies are used to pay for services on blockchain platforms that support smart contracts. For example, Ether or ETH is used to pay for running programs on the Ethereum network. One of the bigger types of crypto that have been in the news recently, stable coins. These are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value, usually by being backed by traditional money or other assets. What, like fiat reserves, crypto collateral, things like that. So examples include USDC and DAI, which are each worth about $1. Almost exactly $1, right? They're useful for people who want the benefit of cryptocurrency without the price of volatility. So in a nutshell here, if you have USDC, that USDC is almost always going to be equal to or very near equal to $1. All right, another type of cryptocurrency is are privacy coins. These focus on keeping transactions private and anonymous. While most cryptocurrencies are transparent, privacy coins like Monero and Zcash use special technology to hide transaction details. Another popular type of crypto, meme coins. These are cryptocurrencies that started as jokes or internet memes but gained real value. Dogecoin is a famous example here. They often have large supplies and are driven more by community enthusiasm than technical features. And the last type of crypto that I want to talk about here, very important, governance tokens. These give holders voting rights in the decentralized organization. People can vote on how projects should develop or how funds should be spent. This is extremely key to the decentralization of the project, right? Remember, no central entity, person, or group has control in decentralized organizations. And anyone can have these governance tokens and have voting rights inside the organization. All right, let's take a look at some real world use cases, right? So we know we got the different types, but let's look at some use cases here. Cryptocurrencies are being used in many different ways around the world. For example, international payments. Sending money across borders traditionally takes days and costs high fees. Cryptocurrencies can do this in minutes or hours with lower fees, making them popular for remittances, money, which is money sent home by people working in other countries. Also, store of value. Some people buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a way to store wealth, similar to how people buy gold. They hope the cryptocurrency will maintain or increase its value over time. Online purchases. More businesses now accept cryptocurrency as payment. You can buy everything from coffee to cars with Bitcoin or some other cryptocurrencies. A huge use case right now is decentralized finance, often referred to as DeFi. People use cryptocurrencies to lend, borrow, and trade without traditional banks. Smart contracts handle these transactions automatically. Digital art and collectibles, often through NFTs or non-fungible tokens, use cryptocurrency technology to prove ownership of digital art, music, and other creative works. Fundraising. Some projects raise money by creating and selling their own cryptocurrencies, similar to how companies sell stock. And financial inclusion. This is a big deal, at least in my mind. In countries with unstable currencies or limited banking services, cryptocurrencies can provide people with access to global financial systems. We're breaking down the walls here, right? We're offering opportunity where cryptocurrencies can offer opportunities where traditionally there's no opportunity. So this is fantastic. Okay, it's time for our learning challenge, right? So I have a couple of things I want you to think about here. First, what is crypto? And one of the best ways to learn is to be able to explain something. So I would like for you to think about what crypto is in your own words, and also one type of crypto that we covered in the video. Think about these two and write your answers in the comments below. Take your time, pause the video. It doesn't have to be a long, fancy explanation. Just in your mind, the way that you understand it. How would you answer these two questions here? What is a crypto in your own words? And name one type of crypto that we covered. Yep, go ahead and do that now. Pause the video. All right, thank you very much, everyone. That's time to lock in your knowledge, right? Let's keep learning. Head over to our website and get the full lesson and take the quiz to test your knowledge. The link is in the description, and we'll see you next time. Thank you once again.